tell me, what is Google Analytics? I told you 101 stuff, right?
No, all good. Yeah, Google Analytics is a tool, obviously, by Google. They bought a company in 2006, 2007. Previously, they just wanted people to spend more money on their biggest asset of Google, which is AdWords, or Google Ads, as it's called now. And they wanted people to recognize what the traffic that AdWords, the Google search engine, is sending them, what it actually does on the website, because the website owners were ill-informed about if they're actually making sales or not. So Google gave them that tool, which previously cost a lot of money. It's actually still a premium version out there that costs $20,000 a month, and you get that power, that raw power of this analytics tool for free from Google. So you just install a little bit of code onto your website, and henceforth it starts tracking these little things on your website, which then give you a picture about the user behavior on your website. And this can be used in many circumstances, from improving your marketing, as we have talked about, but also improving your website, obviously, how people are moving through your website, and then giving you that data, again, for free.